taking a look at AIRS before I came on because I was like, oh, 260 looks like a breakout spot. And sure enough, it was, because then it just took off. And now we're running into resistance around $3, which if you look at a daily chart, you can see why that is. That is the area of resistance after we came down here for 12. This is moving on preliminary fourth quarter news and a business update. The thing about this is that they said they had to delay their fourth quarter earnings, but they should have it out within the 15-day extension period time. So that's what they filed for. They're going to be looking to get their fourth quarter earnings out within that 15-day period. The reason they delayed it, let me just pull this up here. Why is this not pulling up? There we go.
What do you need? I can pull it up.
I was just trying to pull up the reason why they said it was delayed. It's something that it's not a big deal. It's something they said about the way that they wanted to structure their costs or something. Hold on a second. It's not a bit big of a deal. Here we go. They said they were going to complete the classification of its intercompany transactions and balances. They needed more time for that. We have been getting some big insider buying this month, starting from March 4th. You have one of the 10% plus owners picking this up. The company also has a significant short interest with a 17.7 million share floated. Has got 20% short interest with 8 and almost 9 days to cover. So I think that we're also seeing a little bit of that movement here too. As far as where this goes, I'm still looking at that $3 spot. If we continue to hold above here, above the breakout spot of 260, I think $3 is going to continue to get tested. I just don't know if we're going to get through it. But if we do end up getting through this, then I think the price we're going to want to watch for is going to be somewhere between 330 and 350. I think that could be the next range of resistance. I don't know how high this is going to go today. It seems like it's some pretty decent news, but I think we'll get some better movement when we get the fourth quarter earnings out. But for now, the next upside resistance I see beyond 3 is going to be that 330 to 350 area.
Okay, and also I didn't hear this in there. Maybe I just spaced on it because Line was threatening me with a lawsuit. 20% of the float is shorted with 8.95 days to cover here on AIRS. So definitely some squeeze potential, as we already saw it break through that 260 resistance area that was there in the pre-market. So
yeah, okay. Three's next. Three's the next spot to break out if we
Okay, excellent. Good stuff there. AIRS.